This is what I call the mini-me effect. And in this video, I'll run you through a step-by-step tutorial on how I did it on my Insta360 X5, the desktop application. Step 1. You want to mount the Insta360 X5 on a tripod and get the tripod to extend slightly above your height. Step 2. You want to hold an object such as a toy using both your hands. Then lift the toy from your chest or tummy to slightly above the horizon of the X5. Now you want to try to have the front of the toy slightly tilted so that the face of the toy is clearly seen. Step 3. Now import the file into the Insta360 Studio app and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Step 4. Now you want to set the first keyframe and then frame yourself such as that you can see your whole body. Step 5. Now you want to set the second keyframe at the point which you finish lifting up the toy and then reframe the whole scene such that you can see the top of the toy. Export and you should get something like this.